Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I do want to start off this video by saying my apologies. I was not expecting the car to be out for so long. It's almost 2 weeks, going on to its third week. I'm literally waiting on the hood. For those of you guys who are new, I'm gonna just retell the story real quick, 5 seconds of what's going on in the channel right now. I got a brand new car, manual. I swapped all the parts from the yellow to the new manual G. Now I'm wrapping my G in the new purple color. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it's the purple color, but it looks so much better in person. It looks really good in camera too. I'm wrapping the G. It was only supposed to take 2 to 4 days. What happened? I got an aftermarket bumper. I got an aftermarket hood. I wanted to get Sense primered because it wasn't sticking onto the bumper. Got it back primered. Still wasn't sticking on, so now I went to Scent it to get painted, and then now it's sticking on the bumper because we received the bumper already, but we have not received the hood yet. It's been over a week now since we sent the hood. I don't know what's going on. We're probably gonna give them a call, see what happens, but we're just waiting on the hood and then we can completely finish the car. I don't think I remember the last time I've had my car down for so long. I think the last time was when I was getting the car tuned. That was maybe like a week and a half or 2. And just for wrap 3, bro, that's insane. Anyway, with that being said, I do not want to take the car out yet because if I drive it, there's gonna get contaminants on the wrap and it's gonna get all dirty. And I do want to ceramic coat the wrap before I take it out on the road, which I already have an appointment with one of my friends, so you guys are gonna see that later on as well. Now today's video is actually pretty interesting, man. This is actually the first time where I actually get super excited because I can see the whole car coming together. In today's video, we installed the side splitters that we had on the Golden G. We installed the back diffuser. For those of you guys who want to know how to mount them on the G35, I try my best to show you guys a little bit like where the mounting points are and where I bolt them and things like that. So I do the Top Secret Diffuser from the 350Z into my G35. I do the side splitters again, and I also managed to get well, my dad managed to get that roof wrap done as well. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys in today's video. It's gonna be an awesome video, dude. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna like it. But yeah, man, it sucks, man. I haven't seen so many G30. It's like when you don't have your car and then you go on the street and you see your car everywhere you go. I don't know why it happens. It's just like some kind of universe things that happen. I don't know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we're gonna be putting the car all up together. We're gonna be putting the diffuser, the side splitters. So without further ado, welcome back to new users. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned and hit that like button for everybody watching this video. We need to have a talk. Over the past few days, I've been coming home and I've been completely obliterated and sucked out of all my energy. It's really frustrating. I think it was all those 4 a.m. shifts that just killed me and my body's trying to recuperate all that sleep. I have now since then been able to pick up 7 a.m. shifts, which is not bad at all. I should be coming back to normal, but that's it. Meeting's over. All right, let's continue with the video. Anyways, if you guys look here, we now have Metro Styling who brought us the KPMF Perfect Black wrap that we needed for the moon roof. I don't got a moon. Oh, you scared me. Also, if you come here to the backyard, you introduce with a fancy easy splitters. They're still dirty, bro. They still have the dirts from the Golden G. Oh my god, I could almost remember it. I miss you. Anyways, we also have the diffuser right here. It is black, believe me. I know it's looking not black, but that's because it's dirty. Oh, but that's about it. It's dirty. We're just gonna give it a little polish, little nice, you know, a little some love, and this should be back to normal. This needs a lot more love, but I think it could be dealt with some alcohol. Then we're gonna slap it back in the car, and it should be solid. Anyways, I want you guys to get a closer look how dirty they are, so when I freaking reveal them to you, you'll say, damn, I need to subscribe to this channel just because of how clean they are. Look at this. Look how dirty that is. All ready to see this transformation? Get ready. 3, 2, 1. It got a little stain here on the side. This is from where it would bolt on, so it like accumulated dust and like you could definitely take this off with some extensive cleaning, but you know, it's not really worth our time since it's gonna go under. Ain't nobody gonna see that. So let's go ahead and mount this on the car. Ladies and gentlemen, we're almost done. Almost, and then we get to drive the G again. All right guys, it's about, let me see the light, better lighting. It's about 2 days later. We already put the diffuser on. I was kind of getting focused on finishing the car. Anyways, let me show you. Anyways, look at that honeycombs coming out nice. Anyways, the car, look at the diffuser, bro. is looking freaking, this back end is just, I have a picture for y'all. It's looking absolutely beautiful. I know it's in black and white right now. Y'all gotta give me one more. This is the last episode, I promise. Last episode before I show you the full car all wrapped up. Anyways, right now we're basically gonna put on the splitters. We're gonna put on the wheels, and we're gonna see the first look with the freaking new spacers on. So it's gonna be awesome because we need to lower the car that we can wrap the roof. We also gotta wrap the bumper, and then we're just waiting on the hood to come in because I sent it to get painted. But anyways, I want to show you guys a little bit here how I mounted this, because some of you guys might ask me, because this is not meant for the G35, it's actually meant for the 350Z. So I'm gonna show you guys where I mounted mine. By the way, we wrapped this in a different color than the top, so it kind of matches with the diffuser. Back end right here has a bracket. I don't know if you guys can see there in the back, it has a bracket right there that attaches from the body of the car to the diffuser. It's this gap right here is not supposed to exist. It's supposed to be really close. I kind of ended up liking this gap, and it kind of tucks in the license plate like it's meant to fit, and it actually fitted pretty nicely, so I kind of ended up liking it. Anyways, let me show you down here. Up here in the back, we got one bracket that holds the back of the diffuser right here, and we mounted it to, this one has a bolt right there. You see that bolt right there? That one's OEM from the thing. It's fitted there, you cannot take it off. But that one was not existing. I am not sure why that wasn't there. So we put in a butterfly. It's like some freaking genius invention that if you don't have, it's just a freaking hole. I don't know how to explain it, bro. But anyways, we put something there to hold it. It's safe. And then we put another one here on the side, right? That's gonna hold the back. And then the bracket that I showed you guys is right there, and that's holding the front of the diffuser. So we already got the front. On the side here, let me see if I can show you guys. On the side for the flaps, we just put in one simple bolt with the hex holding it on the other side. You guys can see I put a shit ton of holes. This was for the Golden G. I previously put self tap-in screws, but that wasn't holding it. So that's why we put a bolt with the nut, so that it stays permanently and it doesn't come off. Anyways, this is coming out good, and also my exhaust is not hitting the bumper no more, so we won't have to burn the wrap or anything of the bumper, so that's pretty good. Y'all ready? This is a damn workout. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but we've lowered the car. This is, I would say, about right height. We're gonna lower it a little bit, see how much lower. It's gonna camber in. But I could already tell there's gonna be a gap, but let's see if we can lower our ride height a little bit more. We're gonna turn on, we're not gonna fully turn it on, but we're gonna try to lower it. Try to get that angle right there. Where? A bit lowering. You got it?
Yes.
Alright, let's see.
It's damn near touching.
Yeah, that's not bad, dude. That's actually perfect. If I would have went a little bit wider, it would have started rubbing. So this is perfect. Look, that's looking sexy, bro. Let me try to lower it to see, like, for pictures and shit. Alright guys, this is still not completely, what do you call it, slammed. I can still drop it a little bit lower, but I just wanted to see, bro. I got maybe like half an inch gap, but honestly, I love it like that, bro. That's awesome, bro. Look, come. The back, it doesn't even look like a skirt that much because the wheel's poking out. You can see the wheel poking out this time. Before, you couldn't see nothing poking out. It was literally the body of the car, so it looked like a skirt, but now you can see the tire. This back is lowered a lot more than the front, which is why the back is a lot more cambered than the front. But it's looking sexy, bro. Woo! Can't wait to take it to a car meet, bro. It's gonna be sick. Anyways guys, here is the car in its natural habitat. Slammed a little bit, looking super nice, man. The diffuser, man, completes this car's look. It looks amazing, man, amazing. And the wheels fitting better than ever. You got the side splitters going on right there. Look at this look, dude, insane. And then I don't know if you guys saw last videos, we finally completed the interior. Check that out. We completed the interior, full diamond floor mats with the seats. We should be done anytime soon, hopefully, man. I want to take this car out of the road so bad, man. I miss it so much. Anyways, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry there won't be any more updates. I promise you guys, there won't be any more updates. I just won't post. The next video you guys will see will be the car on the road finally, and then me showing you the color. I know you guys know what color, and I'm not trying to hype it up because I know you guys know what color it is, and I'm not trying to do any of that crazy stuff. I just want to drive the car already. Like, literally, that's all I said. That's why I'm super excited. I'm not super excited of the color. No, actually I am, but I'm more excited of just being able to drive my car again. I miss it so much. So the next video will be me revealing the car to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'll catch you guys later. Be safe, be distinct, be crazy. You guys already know. Catch you guys next video. Peace.